Happy Thursday, everyone. We have a special treat for you today. Check out our first all-new 2024 Ford Mustang GT. Just arrived. This thing is insane, super gorgeous. What a perfect day for a vehicle like this to arrive here at Mitchell Lake Ford. What you are looking at is a Mustang GT 301A in the insanely gorgeous yellow splash metallic exterior color. This one has the optional 19-inch rims. It does have the active valve exhaust system on it. Obviously, all new model. Redone front, sides, the rear, the trunk. This thing is impeccable. Check out the inside, though. Dual screens coming across. Super futuristic. Gorgeous. Another home run by Ford, and we just got our first one here at Mitchell Lake Ford. This one is currently available. We do not expect it to be available for much longer. Come on down, take it out for a test drive. Secure one of our other inbound units. Place a custom factory order how you want it. But we had to showcase this one. Thank you guys for tuning in.